Hey guys, so today we're gonna show you how we're gonna clean these wheels. They're really dirty. They haven't been washed in quite some time. I think it's been like 2 weeks. So yesterday we had to take the car out and go pick up the kids. So we did pick up a lot of salt. It's all caked on here. As you can see right there, it's nasty. There's salt everywhere. Look at that right there. It just gives me anxieties. Look at all that in there. It's so nasty in there. So I'm going to show you how I clean these wheels here. And first one we're going to use is the Chemical Guys spray bottle, and there's Diablo gel in here. So what you do is just pump this, and you're pumping it, and it builds that pressure, and then you kind of squirt the trigger here. So here's the trigger. You just spray it down, get it all in there, get it all lubed up. You know, be generous with it. Diablo gel is a concentrate product, and you can mix it in there with water, and you're able to lube this up. I am thinking of using the new sprayer that I got, which is the IK foam sprayer, and I'm thinking of using it to get foam with the Diablo gel. I'm not really too sure how that's all going to work, because what I do like about this bottle and using it in this form is that you can see in there, it's a nice spray. I can spray all the way to the back of the barrel, and I kind of have a feeling that with the foam is going to, you know, stop somewhere, and it's not going to get all the way to the back. So we are going to try it and see if my theory is true, that, you know, we're going to be able to foam it just surface, and we'll see how far we can get on the barrel. Some of the things we're going to be using today, we're going to try this new Incredibrush, and the Incredibrush, I'm going to use it on the calipers in here to see if it fits. Currently, some of the stuff that we're using is this wheel Woolie. The wheel Woolie is great to get into all these little spaces here. It will fit. You can get all the way to the back of the barrel. It's great. I use this Chemical Guys boar's hair brush, and I'm able to use this to get in here in the lug nuts and get all those little detailed places. I did buy the kit for the wheel Woolie, and you have this medium and small one, and these I kind of use currently to get in the back of the barrel. And then I have this one here that's kind of like it used to have a handle, but what I didn't like was that the handle was made out of metal, and then I had a rubber handle. That kind of scratched up my rim a little bit, so I took out the handle, and now I use it to get surface stuff in there, and then I use a rag to get in there. So we're going to let that sit for a little bit, and then we'll come back and spray some water on it a little bit, and then redo it, and then start cleaning, and you'll see that here. All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna, again, I just rinsed it off. I was able to get everything out of here. I went in here, went in there with the sprayer, got all the residue out. So now again, we're just gonna spray it again. I probably should have just sprayed it down first, hosed it down, and that's kind of what I usually do, but oh well. I'll use this pretty good. We filled up our buckets, and we're gonna bring it in here, and we're gonna get our wheel Woolie, and we're gonna start from the top to the bottom to clean these wheels. And on these ZL1 wheels, this wheel Woolie works really great. You're able to get in here all the way back to the barrel. You can fit it in through these little spaces here. Like I said, you're not able to get in here, but you can use the other one, the little one, and we're going to try the Incredibrush too. So that's the nice thing about this wheel Woolie. You can get this right through almost all the spaces here. Here we go. Let me just go in order. all the way to the top. And then I'm going to spray this down a little bit. Down a little bit. Rinse it. And we take our wheel brush. And then we get in here. We get all this in here. And we get in here. The brush. Then we use the medium one. And I get in here. Right here. That fits. So like I said, you're able to use a lot of this this brush kit in this car. So it makes it an overall good brush kit to buy. Well, actually, you can use this one here to go all the way. Here. You actually use this one too for the calipers. So we're getting in here. All the calipers washed up as much as we can. And then I'm going to try this Incredibrush, see how it works. So here it is, it's supposed to be the flat version. And we're going to get it wet. And we're going to see if it fits. Not really. Just trying to stuff it in here, and it's kind of difficult. Yeah, it's not going to fit, guys. It's too big for this barrel. It's kind of a shame because that thing was expensive, so we're gonna have to continue using what we have. So for any of you guys out there interested in buying an Incredibrush for your ZL1 to get behind these calipers, save yourself the money because it's about 59 bucks or something like that. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work to get in here. I guess you could still use it to get behind here in these areas, but you kind of already saw that. The wheel Woolie does that, and the wheel Woolie is a lot cheaper than this Incredibrush. So for those of you that already have the wheel Woolie, keep using it. It's actually the one to go with. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this $70 brush now. $50, $70 brush. I don't know. So here's my rag that I use. It's from the rag company. It's the Miner. And what I do is stick it in my wash bucket. I have this thing here, and I kind of just go around the face really quickly, and I get all this stuff in here that I can. So I try to get this all cleaned up, and then I'll follow through in detail cleaning the rest of the wheel with the rag. I just found that using anything else, the brushes, is just way too time consuming to just go through it. It's a lot faster for me to just grab one of these and do it quickly. And plus it gives me enough room to get behind the spokes here. So there's little grooves down here, and I get in there, clean them up really quick. So that's kind of how I start, as I get behind these. So I go here and I grab it with two hands, I get in here, right? Make sure that the rag doesn't hit the floor. So here, I'm hoping I'm not blocking any of you here, but here we go. See how quick that was? And then I get in here, and I get all the way back here with this in here. I keep my wheels pretty clean, so I'm able to stick this rag in here and go through the caliper pretty easily. Same here, all the way to the back. Same here, and here. So that's how we clean the wheel. I think we get it pretty clean with this. It works. Maybe get an extra pass through here. Make sure everything's golden. Kind of go through here. That's my last step, really. Here. Make sure I get in these little crevices. We already did it with the brush once, but I think getting it with this little rag as a finish works really well. So guys, this is how we clean the wheel. We're gonna come back and show you how we clean the rest of the car, and just wanted to show you how we did the wheel. Thanks a lot.